This is how you're going to create a guidebook in Airbnb. A guidebook helps guests find your favorite local spots easily. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to airbnb.com/hosting and then /listings. Now from the listings tab or the listings page, you're going to choose a listing of your choice. So for me, this one. And then from the listing editor, you're just going to head over to this left side panel and then scroll down. Now, once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the guidebook. Now, if you cannot find the guidebook from here, you're going to click on the arrival guide. So you have to make sure that you're on the arrival guide tab, and then you're going to scroll down until you find guidebooks. So click on guidebooks right here, and this is where you can create a guidebook to share your local tips with guests. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to have to click on this plus icon right here. And then once you click on the plus icon, you're just going to create a guidebook right here. So we're just going to choose a listing first. I'm going to hit on save. And then you can edit your cover if you want. And then you can just click on add guidebook right here. We're just going to edit this one. And then if you want to add more guidebooks, you can just click on a plus icon right here so that you will have another one. Now you're just going to click on add to guidebook right here. And then, for example, we want to add some city advice. Now, you're going to choose what your advice is about. So let's say this one is for customs and culture. We're going to add, let's say, pictures aren't allowed in shrines. And then here you can give them some advice. Do not take pictures inside shrines. And all you have to do now is to just click on save, and it will be saved to your guidebook by clicking on the add to guidebook right here. This is a button that you can find from the right lower corner of the screen. And that's it. That is how you're going to create a guidebook in Airbnb. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And before this video ends, I forgot to tell you, but you have to click on preview and print right here so that it will be printed to your website. And that's it.